airport, yeah. Yeah, these are the around the airport. So, punta kami ng ano guys. Punta kami ng bibili ng isda. Kasi namatay lahat yung isda namin. Kaya papalitan. Wala pa siya masyadong traffic kasi Saturday. Yeah. So kami sa highway papunta ng bibili ng isda. Kaya see you there later. Guys.
A few moments later.
We are here at Marine Warehouse Aquarium.
That's where we bought our fish.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want that. Want that? Okay, yeah. But where's the bench?
So
Oh,
we're
yeah,
keeping
I
this.
see the
There's
bench.
we're keeping it.
I mean,
Meron isa lang frog dito guys.
well, how check? How check out? Oh, yeah.
Jen, do you like that, Jen?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
white.
price that one.
That means this one has a bridge.
Yeah. And there's another
This one has a
Jen.
bridge.
Yeah.
We're not gonna buy the case.
Ayan siya, oh. Big one. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Yeah. Ayan na, guys. Ito na kami sa aquarium. Ito kami ng isda. Ayan. Like that one, guys. Yeah. Don't scare. Don't scare. Yeah. You have a big one there. Look
I
at
can't
that.
see it. You can.
Yeah. It's big.
Even that's still like that black.
Don't touch it.
Yes,
Don't
it
touch
is.
Yeah. Tingnan mo guys. Ang ganda niya. Aking dalawang kulit na. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Bibili daw ko din yan. Yun naman yung price na guys. Oh, sobrang mahal yan. Jem, come! Come! Yeah. Gems. Ayan. Yeah. They are big now. And there's more here.
Mommy, I don't
Oh,
want
I love that color.
Here.
Yeah. We're buying this. Come, Jem, come.
That's 200.
Tingnan yung mga price nila, tag 200. Yan. Yan ang lalaki nila. Oh. You have like a snake, Jima? Yan. Yeah. Snake face. Fish. Yeah.
Wow! You can see them inside. I want to see. Mommy, these are fish flowers. Look, there's fishes.
I know. Yeah, they're so beautiful. Beautiful. And these are the decoration, Jimo, inside the fish. Jimo, you can put inside the fish. video ba?
The next day.
Natutulog na ang aming fishy.
Name them yet, but we are actually going to name them today. Because we didn't name them yet, and because we would always forget, like, his last time.
Before we have a lot before also. We have one before. I think, yeah, this is the second one. We give it to someone. Yeah. Yeah.
But we're going to clean it.
Yeah. We haven't cleaned it yet. So, and then put some of the rock there also.
Yeah,
But they keep hiding though. That's why we remove it. They love hiding somewhere.
I'm going to see the background.
See,
I didn't see it yet.
for now they're sleeping, they're resting.
They usually wake up in the night for some reason. Like they stay up for the whole night. So that's why we leave it.
3 days later.
Their favorite place to hide. I don't know why. Yeah. Look at that. I'm just giving them food. Yeah. Wala pang linis yung aquarium namin. Oh, tingnan mo. Yeah. I think they are 6 or 7. And they were hiding over there. Yeah. They were hiding. Some of the fishes died. It's died, some of them. Yeah. Yeah. Ang mahal lang mga isda doon. I think this fish is $15 each. Yeah, each. Yeah. Ewan ko saan na yun. Where are you, fishy? Get out from there! Get out from there, fishy! I just give another food. Look at it. But some of the fish is still hiding there. Yeah. Yeah, these are the fish. Our fishy. This is our pet inside the house.
It's our new fish. One of our fishes died, and
Yeah, so we bought a new one.
yeah. And I like their color because it's like so bright and we can see them easily. Not like our other fish, they were gray and then like they were the same color.
But we don't know which one is the male and female. Yeah. Because I wanted to get like female and male.
But they said they would fight a lot.
Yeah. We can tell that it is a female or male. I think this kind of fish because they are still small. Oh, so some of these come out. Look at that. Look at the color.
I feel
Okay.
like they said the girl colors